Let's explore the configuring Azure ExpressRoute private peering with BGP route filtering to limit on-premises prefix advertisement into Azure Virtual Networks architecture. On-premises data center establishes BGP peering with Azure ExpressRoute circuit, initially advertising all prefixes. ExpressRoute gateway receives BGP routes and prepares to propagate them into the Azure Virtual Network. Route server applies BGP route filtering using community tags to restrict which on-premises prefixes are advertised. Azure VNet receives only filtered production subnet prefixes, reducing routing table size and lateral movement risk. Network Watcher monitors effective routes and BGP peer status to validate filtering policy enforcement. And that completes the walkthrough.